Hello everyone, how's it going? It's Faster Auto Keys here, and today I present to you a key shell replacement, a solution to a broken or worn out key for a 2002, 2003, and 2004 Mini Cooper. We can provide this replacement key shell here with a cutting service, and all you have to do is send us a picture of your key. With a picture of your key, we're able to cut a brand new key shell for you so you can replace the case that your original key chip is inside. As you may know, a lot of these Mini Cooper keys are known to break, and this one is pretty much the worst case scenario. It has both the lock and the unlock button damaged, and it's a pretty bad sight. One thing, you're able to damage the button over time by having to reach your finger and push the button. Two, because it's open, dust, debris from your pockets and other outside places can get inside the key and damage it. And three, the moment you're in a wet situation where it's rainy or it gets water spilled on, you're in absolutely big trouble. I've seen these keys with the buttons ripped off, very damaged and dirty inside and not responsive. From a lot of trial and error and lots of experience, we have found this key shell to be the very best for two reasons. Number one, the button that is known right here to break the most is different in this style of key. It's made better and it's not going to break as easily as these old buttons do. There are other key shells like this which we have experimented with, and we have found these to be made really badly. Number one, a lot of them have a very bad button placement, which means that when you try to press the button, it's very hard to do it. And second of all of them that have this little section like this cover can come off so easily, and you have to deal with glue and constant messing. I've seen people who have this piece off and they try pushing the button with this the way it is, and eventually that breaks and rips just as easily, if not even easier, than the original keys. This is why we have found these to be the best. The button response is great. Its design is better to prevent many of the issues with the original keys. And as you may have noticed with other aftermarket keys, the blade is very loose, and this one does not have that issue. We're going to go over the process on how to change the chip from the old key to the new key, and all you're going to need is a flathead screwdriver like this. If you ever had to change the battery from your original key, this process is something you're familiar with. All you're going to have to do is get your flathead screwdriver, and right here at the top is going to be a section where you can pry the back cover off. As you can see, I was able to take the back cover off, and now you have two chips. This chip right here is your keyless remote, and this right here, you can tell right here, is a little black transponder chip. When you're changing out the chips from the old key to the new replacement key shell, you need to make sure that you remove this chip as well, or your vehicle will not start. As you can tell right here, there is a little section which can come off, and that will allow you to pry the transponder chip out with a flathead screwdriver. Removing the keyless remote is very easy. You just simply want to get your fingers and just try to wiggle it out, push it out of its spot, and as you can tell, we have it outside. By the way, this key uses a 2032 battery in case you want to change your battery while you're at it. If you want to change the battery, it's a very simple process. With your flathead screwdriver, find this little gap right here that doesn't have a pin, and the battery will easily pry out of its spots. As you can tell, I've removed the battery. To place a new battery in, find the little section that has this metal clip. You just simply want to slide it towards it. There you go. At this point, what you want to do is open the new key shell if it arrived closed, and now you're going to want to transfer the little transponder chip from the old key to the new key and the keyless remote. The transponder chips will just slide in place, and you can also use some transparent Elmer's glue to hold it in place as well. change out the keyless remote, and you want the battery section to be close to the top of the key. Now that the keyless remote and the transponder chip is inside, all you want to do is put the cover in place and you're going to be good to go. There we go. Make sure that you check along all of the sides to make sure that every part of the keyless shell has been snapped into place. Oh, and one more thing. Something you may not have known. Your keyless remote chip actually has a light, and we provide these key shells with a little light spot so that when you press a button, you can see a light. It'll let you know if the battery is low or if the keyless remote isn't working. And I'll go ahead and make it a little darker so you can see the light in action. Check it out. You can now have a light. You're in a new key shell. It's not going to be prone to damage whether it gets dirty or it gets water inside, or just by pressing on the buttons directly with your fingers. All the buttons are easy to use. They have a great response. And as mentioned previously, we provide these keys with a cutting service. And all you have to do is send us a photo of your key, maybe something like this, and with a clear photo of the blade, we're able to provide a copy. You don't have to drive to us, you don't have to be anywhere near us, you just have to provide us a photo of the key blade and we can cut an exact copy for your vehicle. We want to thank you for watching this video. Once again, if you're interested in this key shell, you want to restore your old key, you want to prevent your key from being damaged, go ahead and check out the link below in the description. I'll take you to our store where you are able to purchase one of these with a cutting service by providing us a photo of your key. If you have any questions, you are welcome to leave a comment below in the video. You can text our support number or contact us directly on the website. Thank you once again for watching this video, and I hope you have a good one.